In this video we'll learn about remove method. So remove method removes specified element from a site. So let's make a site. Let's name it as set1. So inside set1 variable I'm going to make a set of, let's say, I am enough. So now let's remove. Okay, so set one dot remove. So let's remove I, and let's print the result set1. So now you can see I is not there, so you can see an unordered site. So let's make another languages variable and let's store inside it English, German, and French. So now we will remove languages dot remove. Let's remove German. So let's print the updated language set, languages. So let's run it. So you can see the unordered set without German inside it. So if I remove something like, say, Russian, so you can see there is a key error